Okay guys, so this will be the videotape I promised you this morning to show you the new audio control functions and screen of our flyaudio in-dash navigation system. Okay, as you can see in front of me, there's one or two already hooked up. One is turned on already, and the other one I'm just about to switch it on. Okay, so you may notice a Lexus startup logo displayed, and this is what we call the Golden Collection series, or the same as the Lexus user are using right now. And on the right hand side here is our new 7500 series, which is running on the latest firmware. Okay, and by the way, that's one unit for the older Volkswagen Jetta. Okay, so right now both of them start up already, and let me first show you the audio control interface. So if I press one of the audio function, let's try DVD, and on the left hand side corner there's two control buttons. One is for the EQ and one is for the audio. And just to make it easier to see the difference, I'll show you what it looks like in the regular machine. So there's a surround control button and also an audio button. So if I just get into the audio control screen, you can see you have the access to control the trap and the bass. You can make it both stronger or weaker, and also you can change the sound like in front of the vehicle, or move it backward, or on the left hand side and right hand side. Pretty standard control functions. Well, in our Golden Collection or the Lexus user interface, in the audio control screen, you have more options. So first of all, for the trap bass and you do have a sub woofer control function there, and you can always make them stronger or weaker, but there's another three additional buttons, so you can switch the trap frequency from 8000 Hertz to 12, or switch it back. And from the bass, you have the option to choose 80 Hertz, 120 Hertz, and 60 Hertz. And for the sub, you can mute it, you can make it running as a regular, or you can make it running full. And for the sound adjustment, well, on top of right hand side, left hand side, front or rear, you can even choose to test or focus the audio output on the driver passenger side, or the driver side, or the whole vehicle. So that's the difference right there, because for the Golden Collection machines, it has a separate chip built-in, what we call the DSP. So that little processor will make sure the audio output will be fully digital, and the output will be optimized into the best sound quality as we can. So that means the limitation will be not on the head unit of the vehicle, will be all depends on the speaker. So we already make sure that the audio output we have will be the best. Okay, so that's the sound control screen. When I go back there, you can see there's an EQ button there. So if I press that, it gives you the options to adjust the frequency from the lowest 63 Hertz and to the highest 16,000 Hertz. And also the preset up mode is always there: classical, pop, jazz, rock, voice, or you can always record your own preferred frequency combinations. While in the regular machines without the DSP, it is called the surround option, which is only give you the pre-built-in combinations of pop, jazz, rock, classical, or you have the option to turn it off. but you don't have the access to customize it. So mainly that will be the big difference between the regular machine and the Colden or the Lexus machine. And the next function I want to show you guys will be the new iPod control interface. So as you can see, that is the new iPod control interface. You may not notice a difference right away, but if I switch the other one, which is running a older firmware, to iPod, you will see the difference right away there. You see, other than all the functions we have in the older firmware, we do have another, I would say, 4 buttons new in this screen. So one is called connected, will show you the status of your iPod or iPhone, if it's connected or not. You can always using that button to switch it on or off. So it doesn't matter, like if you want your iPhone to be connected but not charging, or you have the option to turn it off there. And in addition, you have the button of random play the sound, repeat the sound, or search your tracks. And because I cannot really press it on, because once I press it on, my iPhone will stop recording the video. So, but you got the idea, and that's the icon there. So that's the random, that's the repeat. And I can show you the search here. So once I press down, before you can only to choose a sound one by one until you find the ones you're looking for. But here in the new firmware, you have the option to search among the playlist, the artist, the album, or just search through the sounds. So say if I want to search in the playlist, once I press the button here, it will list all the playlists I have in my iPhone. If I have more, it'll show you more there. And say if I want to search by the artist, you have the screen list all your artists there available in your iPod. Or if I want to search among the albums, it will show you all the albums. And if I just want to search among the sounds, just find a specific name. So it will list all the sounds available in your iPhone. You can just browse them other than try them one by one. You can just, once you got it, press it, it will play right away. And when I go back, again, return and back, that will be my new iPod iPhone control screen. And there are also some screens that you guys requested this morning, like the tire pressure monitor system. So that's the English interface. Here I give you the option to choose, to set up the limitations. So if you wanted to make you aware if the temperature is above 70 C, or change it to Fahrenheit, or the maximum tire pressure 45-26 lowest, and you can choose between PSI or kPa. So it's all standard, doesn't matter if it is American standard or the Asian standard, and I give you all the information in the same screen. So all the software is already there. It just matters if you want to purchase the separated hardware to mount it in your tire. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope that will answer all you guys' question. But if you do have any other questions or inquire, please feel free to email me, PM me, or just give me a call. My email address will be that's Bob, P as Peter, at flyaudio.ca. And if you're in Vancouver local, you can call me at 604-537-8940. And my name's Bob. Have a nice day.